guys, welcome back to Auto Media. My name is Ray Johnson, and in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can convert all your videos to 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So whether your videos are 1 by 1 or 4 by 3, I'll be showing you how you can convert all your videos for free, fast and easy. So guys, what you would need to do is actually download and install kinemaster, and then after downloading and installing, you'd open the app and you click on the plus sign where it says new project. Then you'd ensure that the aspect ratio selected is actually 16 by 9, and then you click on where it says create. After clicking on that, you'd see some options. You would actually click on where it says image assets, and from there you're going to select a background, and you're going to select the one that's a white background. And now I am going to expand my white background to as much as I need it. Now this is okay. Then I'm going to click on the X to go over to this section. Then I'm going to click on where it says layer, and I'm going to click on where it says media to select the media that I want to actually change the aspect ratio of right now. Then I am going to actually select a video from my camera. So I am going to select where it says video assets. Well, I'm actually going to select where it says camera because that's where my video is located. Okay, and I'm going to select a random video. And as you can see guys, the current aspect ratio of this video is actually 4 by 3, which means it's going to be small and it won't be the normal size of YouTube. And most people don't like to watch videos looking like that. So what I'm going to do guys is show you how to actually change that. So what you're going to do from here is go down to where it says split screen. Let me look for that. Oh, here you go. And you're going to click on this one. And there you go guys. As you can see, it has been changed to 16 by 9 guys, and it's this easy, and there's no watermark as you can see guys, and it's free and it's fast and easy. So yes guys, and if you want to see more incredible content like this one, what you gotta do is go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell. In that way, you'll be one of the first person to be notified as soon as I drop another video teaching you to do things like these that can improve your audience and your views and help you to make more money online. So thank you for watching. My name is Ray Johnson. You take care. Bye-bye.